If you're currently holding PHUN, I hope you didn't panic because today's price action is only shaping up a much bigger short cover wave here for tomorrow's trading. As you all know, if you did catch yesterday's video, then you are well aware of what we needed to happen here in order for PHUN short cover wave to actually take place here today. We didn't get that throughout today's pre-market hours, ultimately giving those short positions here taken on Wednesday and Tuesday momentum to hold here. You have to take in consideration, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday's low was 1265. We opened lower than that, which means short positions taken throughout yesterday's entire trading day is in a profit taking situation, only giving those short positions more confidence to hold here today. But the great news for PHUN here tomorrow, we are short sale restricted. And if you're wondering what trading platform I am using, it is called Moomoo. If you do want to sign up for Moomoo, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone these perks you see here on the screen. All you have to do is make your initial deposit of only $100. But not only will you get an extra 3-day trades a week, but also these free stocks that Moomoo is currently offering can value up to $2,500 each. Also, you will have key data, tools, and resources at your disposal, such as the daily short sale analysis and the interpretations of indicators chart, which is a huge game changer for beginners and novice traders that do not understand how to read charts or indicators really well. So again, using my sign up link in the description below while signing up for Moomoo, you get a lot to gain and nothing to lose. Which means no short orders can be filled on the downtick. We did actually see that take place here in DJT recently. If we check that out here really quickly, and if you're still here with me, can you please drop in the comment section below the word "still here with you, Obi." We're gonna come back to those short positions are stacked, which means tomorrow's short sale restriction can work in our favor. Just looking at Wednesdays and Tuesdays short sale analysis, the story is clear. It's in black and white. Yesterday, Wednesday, 15.29% on the short sale ratio. Ladies and gentlemen, this is aggressively high, okay? This is one of the most extreme short sale ratios that we have seen here in quite some time in PHUN, backed by the volume. Here, only 1.2 million in total trading volume. So the total short volume isn't high at all. But here yesterday, ladies and gentlemen, 43 million in total volume and 6.72 million shares were sold short. That was more than the total volume on this day here, on that big short sale ratio day, which means the PHUN short cover wave is building momentum here for tomorrow. Now, what we need to see, we need to see a slight run here heading into today's close, just to put pressure on those short positions taken here on Wednesday and Tuesday. But those short positions can also be likely to be covered here tomorrow due to the short sale restriction and the fact that they're in a profit-taking situation. And if we do start to see some slight buying pressure, you know what happens to their profit, ladies and gentlemen? That profit window starts to close, and that's when we start to see short positions start to be covered, which can ultimately add momentum to the share price, ultimately pushing it back towards that $19 levels that we are looking for. So I hope you didn't panic and today you took advantage. I do feel as though that we're going to see a nice bull run here tomorrow from the share prices we see here today. Be looking to cross $12 here early off in tomorrow's trading. Next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is DJT. And if you're currently holding DJT, let me know in the comment section below. As you all know, we're looking for a gamma squeeze to take place here this week. What we want to see is the crossing of $40 here pretty soon, which is ultimately going to put huge pressure on market makers to cover these call options that is in money. And we do see a nice increase in open interest here at the $35 strike, as well as the $30 strike, ladies and gentlemen, which means the gamma squeeze is only building more momentum. Now, as you guys can see here, we do see another options chain actually opening here on the call side of things, and we do see another buildup of open interest at the $50 strike. And I told you guys before, we may actually see $50 before the election, but far as tomorrow, I don't think that is likely to happen. But I do feel as though that we may see that $50 come into play before the 11:01 expiration. And if we take a brief look and check out those call contracts on that open interest, not as high as tomorrow's expiration here. But what we do see unusual here on the 11:01, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, that $35 strike is extremely high at 5,000. If we take a brief look and check out the $30 strike, it currently sits here at 3.8. What I want you guys to really take notice too, though, here in DJT is the last 4 days of trading. As you guys can see here, we do see a slow increase in volume. That is a very great sign, and that is expected here the closer we get towards the election. As you all know, we do expect to see retracement shortly after the election. We do not consider PHUN, DJT, or RUM, for that matter, a great long-term investment. In fact, these three stocks may, in fact, make one of the easiest trades here this year. I do feel as though that DJT is basically going to play a symphony role like DWAC did during that last election, as well as PHUN. So DJT, we're looking for those $39 levels. I know I said 37, but we raised it to 39 by the end of the week. I do feel as though that if we do cross that 40 here, which can happen tomorrow, as you all know, the gamma squeeze can lead us towards levels as high as $47. Okay, and if FOMO play into that, then that $50 price target may be achieved here tomorrow, but I do not think that is likely to happen at all. So don't bet on that. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I will be giving you yet another update on DJT as well as PHUN here later today on the channel after market close. So after 7 p.m. Central Time, be looking out for that. I will be updating you guys on the capital trend and the short sell analysis for both. Also, I will be giving you a update on Tesla stock. As you all know, I have a $300 price target on Tesla, which I do feel as though will be reached and breached before the end of Q1 2025. So I will be updating you guys on my thoughts and insight on that. And with that being said, may the gangs be with you.